Okay, welcome everybody. Today we've got, I don't think it's any secret, Soundwave. You saw the thumbnail. Let's see if I can remember how he works. That. Pretty straightforward. Pop his head around. Of course, I've lost the front disc. Oh yeah, that. I think he's got it. But, oh yeah, the hands pop out too. I forgot. Yeah. Alright. He came, I think he had a missile launcher that mounted up in this little hole there. Okay. And, the eject button did pop open his door when he had the door. Actually came with a belt clip, so you could put him on your belt. I don't think... Oh! I've got his missile launcher. Holy crap, I did not know that was in there. Cool! Yeah, I don't have any... I might have some of his missiles. Let me stop, I'll be right back. Okay. I looked for like almost 30 seconds, and I found it. There's this. Here's that one. And looks like the trigger is broken off there. But I felt the click in like the spring popped it in. Let's see. Is it forward? Backwards? Or is that the trigger? That could be the trigger. Nope. It does not. Okay. It feels like a spring pushing back there. No, it doesn't. It just locks on there to make it look like it. You had to provide your own propulsion, I guess. Well, that was... I was just going to show that they made it look like there was a battery pack out. I totally forgot that thing had a storage for his weaponry. I'm excited now. That was cool. All right, but anyways, I say his elbows still moved. He was sort of portrayed as Starscream saw himself as second in command, and Megatron I think saw Soundwave as second in command. The way I remember the cartoon being. I thought he always had like a really cool head, sort of very with the points and everything. And this is one of the more. His knees bend the wrong way, but this is one of the more articulated of the Transformers as far as being able to pose him and do stuff with him. But anyway, after all that excitement, I'm going to go ahead and take a nap. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.